put the party on hold for 24 hours. Opening day for the Detroit Tigers will be postponed until Friday due to inclement weather, the Tigers announced Thursday morning.
First pitch will come early Friday afternoon at 1:10 p.m.
The pitching matchup, Jordan Zimmermann vs Ivan Nova, is expected to remain the same.
All paid tickets from Thursday will be honored on Friday. Or, they can be exchanged for a future regular season game.
Linda Clayton, 57, of Wyandotte, said she was disappointed the game was postponed. "But we're still staying," she said outside of the stadium.
"I took the day off from work to be here."
She and her friends have come to the parking lot next to the ballpark to tailgate for the last 3 years.
Sean Lathrop, 28, of South Rockwood, said he didn't really care the game was postponed.
"I wasn't going anyway," he said.
"I was just here to have a good time."
Buddies Sean Maitla and James Miller of Troy were sipping a few cold beers inside the Fillmore Detroit on Woodward, where a free party hosted by 101.1 WRIF-FM was drawing revelers looking to stay dry.
The original plan was to come down here and see radio hosts Dave and Chuck the Freak broadcast, and then kind of hop around town and enjoy the festivities, said Maitla, 30.
"We call it Checkpoint Life," interjected Miller, who was Maitla's best man at his recent wedding.
"Just get to the next checkpoint and figure it out from there." For them, the next checkpoint is likely another bar or maybe a tent party. They're banking on fewer crowds and maybe cheaper cover at some parties. And why not, they already took the day off work.
"We just get 2 opening days out of it," said Miller.
August Gishlag of Hamtramck didn't let the bad weather or cancelled game hamper his party plans.
"I got here from Hamtramck in 10 minutes with a $12 Lyft ride," he said from inside the Fillmore before he head to the Tintic party next door.
"I have friends that are staying in town no matter what, staying in hotels. We're going to hang out, enjoy Detroit."
"We got our rain gear anyway," he said.
"I don't have tickets to the game anyway," he added.
"I was coming down, this is one of Detroit's best days."
Staff writers Charles Z. Ramirez and Melody Bettens contributed.